if your HP printer is showing as offline, even though it's clearly turned on and connected, this video is exactly for you. This can happen due to communication error, an outdated driver, or sometimes just something minor. But don't worry, I've got the most effective solutions to bring your HP printer back online, whether you're on Windows or a Mac. And if you want to have a one-on-one support, our printer experts are available at the numbers on the screen right now. Alright, let's jump right into it.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
For Windows user, Method 1. Make sure Use Printer Offline is not selected. Click on the search bar at the bottom of the screen, type Control Panel and click on it when it pops up at the top. Once the control panel opens, look for Hardware and Sound and give it a click. Now click on Devices and Printers. On the next screen, click Printers and Scanners to see all connected printers. Find your HP printer in the list and click on it. Scroll down a little and click More Devices and Printers Settings. Your printer will now show up again. Right-click on it and bring up a menu. From that menu, click See What's Printing. When a new window opens, click on the Printer tab at the top. Finally, make sure Use Printer Offline is not ticked. If it is, just click on it once to untick it. If the first solution does not fix your problem, then let's check if the printer is set as the default printing device. Also, if you encounter any other issues, make sure to write them in the comments. Method 2. Choose your printer as default printer. Click on the Start menu at the bottom left of the screen. Search for Printers and Scanners and open it. Scroll down until you see Let Windows manage my default printer and uncheck that box. Now, scroll back up and find your HP printer in the list of available printers. Click on the printer, then click Manage. Finally, click Set as Default and you're all set. For Mac users, Method 1. Remove and add the printer again. So first, go ahead and click on the Apple icon on the Mac. From the menu that pops up, go ahead and select System Preferences. Once that window opens up, look for Printers and Scanners and click on it. Now, in the Printers and Scanners window, simply select your printer from the list and then hit the minus icon to remove it. A confirmation window will pop up. Just go ahead and click on Reset. And once the printer system reset is done, all you have to do is re-add your printer by clicking the plus button, just like you normally would. For more videos on other printer issues, please let us know your issues in the comments. If error is still hanging around, don't worry, let's check for any software updates. Method 2. Check for printer software driver. On your Mac, click on the Apple icon. From the drop-down, go ahead and click on System Preferences. This time, instead of Printers and Scanners, look for Software Update and click on it. Now, once that opens, if you see any pending update of your printer, just go ahead and hit the Update Now and let it do its thing.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.